Code review live stream. Yes. When I do two things in one day, it can be difficult to keep track of. Whoa. I'm not sure I like this different camera that I'm using. I think, it won't let me change it. Oh, no, built-in audio. Can I change my camera settings? Sorry, everyone. Let's just go back to integrated camera. Yeah, that's a lot smoother. And we can just leave the frame rate unchanged, and that'll be fine. Okay, cool. Sorry about that. I got a new camera. I was excited to try it. Turns out, not very great. But that's okay. Or more accurately, probably just needs some screwing around with the settings. I am here in Toronto. Here, let me open the... Okay, well, you still can't see the skyline, but I'm going to move it so you can see the skyline. Beautiful Toronto. This is Toronto. Oh, and a reflection of my screen. Cool. I didn't think that went through. Okay. But we're just going to do our regular weekly Apache Spark code review, even though I'm somewhere cold and have no tea because the hotel didn't leave me any tea bags, which is unfortunate. I'll have to go make my own tea. Okay, so let's go ahead, open the new tab that I'll need and switch into live mode. Okay, cool. And so this is the weekly Spark code review. Oh, wait, that's not actually the one that I want. We're going to go to sparkprs.appspot.com. I'm going to open Twitch so I can get, wrong one, Twitch. There we go. So I can get any comments which people might have, assuming that it works. It is live. Okay, it's just my phone is garbage. Cool. So if anyone's got comments on Twitch, I'll have that up, and I'll also get my YouTube comments stream up just in case. No, that's the one from like 20 seconds ago. All right, cool. And so there we go. So I've got the YouTube comment stream up as well. So the first thing we're going to do is go and look and see if the PRs that we commented on in the previous weeks together have any updates. So I click on myself, and then I can go in here. Oh. Okay, so the warm start PR. It's been a long time since I looked at that. But okay, let's take a look at that. Oh yeah, this one was a little bit confusing with the tests, but it's also been updated. Okay, and the rest of these are old, so that's fine. So then we'll go back to open PRs, and then we'll just go over here, and we'll take a look at these two PRs. So what is the latest on this? What else needs to be done before this can be merged? Oh, that's a good question. Is this the original PR author? No, this is Yambo. Okay. Well, I mean, maybe this person is interested in taking it over, in which case we should try and help them out. Yeah. This PR is pretty old, so the biggest challenge is going to be updating it. To the current master branch. Yeah. Yeah. there's some discussion around the types needing to be changed as well. If this is a thing you want to work on, I'd love to do what I can to help with the review process. So it's just like, yo, if you want to do this, please, that'd be great. Because at this point, I think Yambo's probably not coming back to this. And if Yambo is, you can leave a comment. Let's see what the latest is from Brian on this. Okay. Okay, cool. Oh, and the tests have been updated. Okay, cool. Yeah, okay, cool. This one's fine. So let's go take a look at the new code. So my concern with this PR was essentially that we didn't guarantee that the partitions were out of order when we were testing it. And since this PR is all about supporting out-of-order partition returns more efficiently, this maybe not so great. So this part of the code, let's go back through it though, because it's been a while. Arrow streams here. So this loads the stream. It will yield the batches, and then it'll read the batch order indices afterwards, and then it will yield the batch order. Okay. Probably that's used in, okay, yeah, data frame, arrow collect serializer. And so then what this does is collect a list of unordered batches where the last element is a list. Okay. And then it reorders the list. Sounds perfectly reasonable. Although the indexing... Oh, right. Yeah, okay, that makes sense, kind of. Does it? Yeah. Okay. Essentially, the batches are only yielded, the batch order is yielded once, the batches are yielded for each individual batch. It's a little strange to return the list like this, but I think it's fine. Okay, cool. Delay first partition, sleep 0.1 seconds, return the iterator. Sounds great to me. So, yeah, I like this. Yep. This is the running of the tests. Yep. I like the new tests. I think 0.1 on one of the partitions is great. It's enough. Okay, cool. And that's just like, yeah, we added a delay to guarantee one partition will take longer than the others, and it's the first partition, so we will always have out of order, so that's fine. Hey. This part looks pretty reasonable. Let's take a look. So what this used to do is there was an array and it would build up the array internally. Instead, what we do is we write them out as they come in and we keep track of the batch order, and then we write out the batch order at the end of it. Seems reasonable. Okay. Yeah. Like the new tests. Like the new tests. Or the change to the test. Thanks. So it's just like, yeah, this looks good. Cool. Okay. So we could pick from any of these. but I'm gonna pick Python because it's PyCon Canada this weekend. I mean, having examples is good. Oh, that's certainly interesting because this is a giant pile of shit. So that's exciting. User-defined window aggregate functions. It's currently running in Jenkins. I don't know. We could take a look at it. Honestly, we've already got 2 other PRs. Wait, what? What? Confused by some of these, but that's okay. Okay, I guess we'll go look through these. I like examples, manual testing, mixed feelings, but that's fine. Example on, example off. Example on, example off. Cool. Okay, so thanks for working on this. You noticed you have the example on off tags. Normally, those correspond with it being included in documentation. Let's go take a look. Because this is a new file, right? Yeah. Somewhere, and those tags are used. Is that the plan for this PR? And so it's just like, hey, I like examples, but I want to know what it's for, I guess. So yeah, okay, cool, that's good. Refactor dev lint Python into something readable. Okay, yes. So this is Shane working on this. I don't think we should touch this because it has like a do not merge note on it, which normally also means like it's not really ready to be reviewed unless he asked us to review it. So we'll just skip this one for now. User-defined window aggregation functions. Yeah, I mean this is important, but I'm not feeling it. Okay. This is just adding some options to match, probably. Make assert null and assert true non-deterministic. Okay, so this one is the one I'm confused about. Wait, what? Yeah, I don't know. Oh, I don't actually feel so good. I'm sorry to cut this one short. I don't feel so good in my tummy. So we're actually just going to cut this one short. And I'm really sorry about that. I just don't feel so good. I promise I'll do another review next week. It'll be longer than 10 minutes. Really sorry.